Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Nissan Frontier SV Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9739XX. Only 26,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, magnetic black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Locking tailgate, trailering package, bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning, rear sliding window for extra ventilation. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, 26,000 miles, tilt wheel, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy top rate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Frontier has a 4-liter V6, 261 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Frontier, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.